So you need to find the X1 installation application, double click it, run it, and extract it. You can choose what location you want to extract it to, whether it's desktop or whatever folder it's currently located in. So I'll just extract it here, enter the password which was emailed to you. Now that's made another folder called X1 installation. So you can delete this one or leave it there, but we're going to open this one. Now, if you're using a CNC lathe and this is going on the touchscreen, you're going to need to install this Microsoft update, or if it's a laptop and it's Windows 7, possibly Windows 8, you'll need to install this first. I'm using Windows 11, so I don't need to, but if you don't need it, it'll tell you here that it's not applicable. So clear that. Now go into X1 Smoother, and then you can open up the application from here. Enter your license key here. It is case sensitive, so make sure it's exactly as it's written in your email. If you can't find that box, just click this Manage License. Now, to change any of the settings, these should be the default settings that you see here. But if you need to change the settings, go into this menu, change your parameters here. This is how much it's taken off on the curb damage removal buttons. And these will need to be adjusted depending on which machine, whether you're cutting inside to outside or outside to inside. There's a help menu here if you're not sure of what anything does. Okay, so if we minimize that. Now, on a touchscreen CNC or Windows 7, it's nice and easy to do this. Windows 11, it's a little bit more difficult, but normally you'll just click on X1 Smoother application, right click, copy, and you can go to your desktop, whatever folder you want. If I just create a shortcut here just to show you, normally you'll right click and click paste as shortcut. Okay, but on Windows 11 that's gone, so we have to press another button before it shows that. So you've got paste as shortcut, and then we've got the shortcut. Now you can either drag that and put it in your pin it to the taskbar at the bottom, so when you turn on the CNC, it's always going to be located here. And you will need to connect your CNC to the internet for this to work for the licensing. So now you've got a shortcut here at the bottom in your taskbar. And just to show you again, these are, just in case you need it, the installation suggestions. And these are the suggested parameters depending on which machine you're using. Mostly this is on like the A Systems machines, but for all the other machines that this supports, change the settings accordingly, or else it won't work as it's intended to do so. And then you also have the manual here, which still needs to be updated a little bit, but this roughly tells you what everything does. Some features have been added since, but you can see the new features on this YouTube channel.